Fleurieu
Peninsula.
Still need to look up how you actually say it. How to pronounce... We said it wrong the whole time. Or float. To explore.
I stay prayed up daily, drive me crazy, I can't stay away. It's sweet like candy. Go make her.
Good morning from...
Second Valley.
We are exploring the Fleurieu Peninsula. Not sure how to pronounce it. I did do 7 years of French at school, so I should know how to pronounce it. We are currently at Second Valley, which has a beautiful beach, and then to the left there's rock pools and like rocks you can jump off, so we're exploring that. But yeah, it's a beautiful area. We've already been here the last few days. It was really windy. This area apparently does get quite windy, but today's a beautiful calm day and we're taking you with us to explore. Bit of overextension there.
A little bit.
Are you sure? Oh god. How did it feel? You're crazy. I'm doing a post-jump interview.
Oh yeah?
Would you do it again?
Yeah. You should
Did
do
you
it.
feel free?
Very free.
I heard your little scream. What was that about?
It was more of a woo than a scream.
How high do you think that jump was?
I don't know, it felt bloody high.
What's
Maybe
bloody high in meters?
6? I don't know, 6 to 8?
Ooh, it's pretty high.
What do you reckon it was?
Yeah, maybe 8. And that concludes our post-jump interview. We couldn't have picked a calmer day, that's for sure. Okay, there's this huge cave, and I've lost Matt. I bet you any money he's gonna go in the cave. Let's see. What do you think of the cave?
Spooky.
Can you smell it?
Yeah.
Smells disgusting, hey? Are you gonna go in?
No?
I lost my bet! I was saying that I'm so sure that you're gonna go and explore the cave. I said I would bet any money.
What do you want to film?
Just thought we're going somewhere else. Okay, we had a really great snorkel at, where are we?
Second Valley.
At Second Valley, and now we are headed to Morgan Beach. Never know where we're going. And then we're just probably gonna chill there for the afternoon because it's getting really hot. And then tomorrow we're checking out Rapid Bay. That's stunning. Is that Kangaroo Island? It might be.
Yeah, it could be.
I think it is. Wow, it's very close.
Yeah, it makes you wonder why the ferry costs like $500 per turn if you have a car.
I guess we are very remote. There's not much around. Okay, this is a steep
But it's such a short trip. It's just there.
There's a ferry! Oh no, that's just a boat.
Good try.
This may not look steep on the camera, but it is bloody steep. How are we gonna make it back up the hill?
With power.
Oh, it looks amazing. The views are insane. Morgan's Beach.
Yeah, the water's so clear.
It is.
Here comes Megan. She didn't bring her flippers because she didn't think she was going to go snorkeling. And then as soon as she sees some dolphins, she's out here. But, oh, they've gone already.
We had another swim and a snorkel at Morgan's Beach, and now we're cooking dinner. We're up on the lookout, and this is our view. It's beautiful, and I think sunset is gonna be a banger. Good morning from Rapid Bay. We left camp early this morning because we were stealth camping and had to leave early, but now we're in beautiful Rapid Bay. We've actually been here before with two friends. We visited on the weekend and it was so busy, and now there's people, but not that many. We have another specky day. It's super still. We're gonna explore a cave that's close to Rapid Bay Beach, and we haven't explored that yet, so
Yeah, it looks huge.
yeah, it looks pretty cool from the distance, but we haven't actually walked there yet, so we're doing that now. What else, Matthew?
Then we'll pretty much just head back to Adelaide, which is
Yeah,
a little bit sad, but
I know,
the
we
show
really
goes on.
liked it. Yeah, we really liked the
Fleurieu
Peninsula.
Peninsula.
Still need to look up how you actually say it.
Yeah, it's a lot nicer than the York and the Eyre Peninsula, and I'll
Yeah.
hear nothing else.
I know. This is the cave we're talking about. It looks huge. Okay, this is huge. Why would people graffiti there? That sort of stuff makes me so angry. See all the graffiti?
Gosh.
You give up?
I could go up there, but it's smelly and dirty. Little secluded bay here. That's probably the spot to go on the weekend when Rapid Bay is packed.
Yeah.
Head around the rocks, go to the little secluded bay.
I think the coolest part about this area is the coastline, because you have these crazy steep hills and rocks like this, and you don't really see that anywhere in Australia. I think this might be the most underrated part in Australia. Do you agree?
Possibly. I mean, we haven't done the full lap yet, so it's hard to say now.
Yeah, but we kind of know what's to come.
Yeah.
And no one really talks about the
Fleurieu, I think. See, like, this could be in Italy somewhere. It's so beautiful.
This is the Italy of Australia. There you have it.
There you have it. You heard it here first.
I'm pretty desperate for a swim now.
All right, let's do it.
Yeah. Okay, moment of truth.
Fleurieu Peninsula. Fleurieu Peninsula.
Is that YouTube? No, look on YouTube or something.
It's howtopronounce.com. That sounds legit.
Fleurieu Peninsula.
What? What is that? Someone burped in that. Did you hear it? What is this picture?
Fleurieu Peninsula.
Okay, I'm gonna try a different website.
Fleurieu Peninsula, South Australia.
Fleurieu. We said Fleurieu.
Because we're
French!
cultured.
We're not uncultured swines, okay? It's Fleurieu.
Okay, that's it from the Fleurieu Peninsula. How'd you like it, Mags?
10 out of 10. On a good day, on a
10 out of 10.
yeah, I really enjoyed it.
Yeah, it's as
You need the right weather.
Yeah, as you can tell from our vlog videos, we had some amazing days, spectacular weather, and the beaches were incredible.
And like I was saying earlier, I feel like it's a very underrated region in South Australia and maybe even Australia. There's definitely a lot of people here, especially on the weekends, but it also feels very remote compared to other beachy areas. So yeah.
We think that we're definitely going to come back here at some stage. Probably not on this trip, but maybe on our second lap around Australia.
Is that right?
Possibly. We'll see.
Who knows?
Or you could do Barossa, McLaren Vale, Fleurieu Peninsula, and you could have an amazing holiday for a week or two.
Yeah, it's such a good area.
Yeah.
All right.
Bye. Subscribe.
Crazy, I can't stay away.